Nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Today is something absolutely delicious. Again, offal, interior, liver, heart, kidney, stuff like that. A lot of you ask about this. It's very popular in this moment and we make delicious. I'll show you what we're doing today. We're gonna do we call it in Italian spritto. It's cooked with onion, ginger, soy sauce, stuff like that. We need, ask your butcher, this is all fresh stuff. We need, I have a bit of a heart, liver, onglet, beef onglet, and I have a beef kidney. I want to dice it and cook with some onion, leek, chili, ginger. I have some fresh thyme and the bay leaves. Couple spoon of soy sauce and pureed tomato. And later I'm gonna use some paprika, salt, pepper and garlic powder. Okay, it's very easy to make and super taste. This is already I wash it because it's better to wash this stuff. We start from the liver, the heart. Take a little bit fat off, like that. Watch your finger, or ask your butcher to do, and like this. Maybe again in the middle. I show you now some of all of them. Put like this and cut it like that. I like that. If you like small or bigger, you can do. Anyway, nothing change. Okay, the heart we cut like that and put in the bowl. Now I show you the liver. The liver is very important, guys. This membrane here, you see, is better to take. You can eat it, but you know it's a little bit hard. You see? Later we clean the other side as well. Put your finger inside. It's done, okay? This one, guys, the same. Ask your butcher to clean well and maybe in three like that and cut again, guys, okay? Like that. And in the bowl, because we're gonna mix everything. My camera woman, my partner Zusi, she don't like this stuff. Guys, I see her face, but you know. Okay, the liver, now I can finish later. Now I will cut the kidney. The kidney, always ask your butcher, take the part, you can cut again in the middle. This stuff off, okay? And again, like this. It's very popular now, again, all this kind of food. I love it. Okay, cut like that and mix everything. And I mix as well the beef onglet. For me it's perfect together. Just chop like that and do dice like this, okay? Even smaller. Cook quickly, okay? You can use a bavette, skirt. I like onglet. You see? And do that. Guys, now I finished cut all this liver, heart and kidney, the amount I need. And I show you the next step, okay? See you soon. Okay guys, here is everything is cut. You know? Is one thing. Now get ready with at least one onion and chopping not thin, just like, okay? We don't need to be precise here. We need one onion ready, and if you like, it's very good, some chili, you know? Like that. If the gas is already on, oh, look at that. And now, you know, gas is already on. We put olive oil. I think a nice 2 tablespoons, and we start with some onion and chili. Yeah, look at that. Fantastic. And the time that this onion starts browning a little bit, gonna take 1 minute, 1.5 minutes, we're gonna add all the offal inside, okay? I'll show you in 1 minute what's going on. Okay guys, the onion starts to be like that, and everything inside, the flame is medium, okay? It's not stronger. And now we leave cook slowly here. Later we're gonna add some salt and pepper. And I forgot to say, get ready with half glass of white wine vinegar that we're gonna need later, okay? And now I'm starting to cut all this ginger, the leek, this other onion, and later I'll show you the rest, okay? The smell is already very nice. Guys, now here I have the onion, the leek, the ginger, and other chili, if you like always. Put everything inside. I add as well 2-3 bay leaves, some thyme, just like that. The spring onion I'm gonna put just on the top when it's cooked, okay? And now cook a little bit, and soon we're gonna add the soy sauce and the tomato paste, okay? But before we put the vinegar. Okay, now we leave it to cook a little bit and see you in 5 minutes. Put the lid on. In 5 minutes I show you the next step. We're gonna put as well salt, pepper, and paprika, and all the spices, okay? See you soon. Okay guys, here is already 5 minutes. Now we adjust with salt, pepper, how much you like, salt, black pepper, of course if you like. I like put some garlic powder and some paprika. Now we stir it. We add the soy sauce, all, and now we're gonna add as well some white wine vinegar. Yeah, like that. And now we leave it to cook another 10 minutes like that, and later we add the tomato puree, okay? Again, lid on. See you in 10 minutes. Okay guys, another 10 minutes is gone. Okay, the smell guys is absolutely stunning, you see? Now we're gonna leave the without lid. And it's 1 tablespoon of tomato puree. Mix everything again. Put the flame a bit medium low and leave to cool, because this stock here, this juice gonna reduce, and it is gonna be absolutely stunning. Okay, leave it like that, and I think gonna cook this around 15 minutes. Is ready. Okay, I'll show you when it's ready. Okay guys, this is already done. It's 10-12 minutes is already off. Cooked around 35 minutes, and the beef offal stew is ready. Now look at that, gonna be like that, you know, very nice. Later, if you like cook a little bit more, up to you. Now I chopped already my spring onion. This is nice if you put just raw like that. Okay, now what we gonna do? I'm gonna try it, guys. Look, a little bit of liver. Already, wow, guys, look at that. It's absolutely delicious. Wow, it's spicy. Wow, another masterpiece, guys. It's absolutely delicious. The beef offal stew is this. We put here all liver, kidney, and onglet. Beef is this. If you like, always guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, share with friends, and check our website cookingwithanitalian.com. Okay, the beef offal stew is this. If you like, finger up and follow us. Ciao!